Alice found a nice KOA right on the Texas border. It's got a swing, pool, showers for the night. Came with a Nana. It's pretty level. We only got one tire kind of off the ground tonight instead of 3. This place cook a hot dog.
The beautiful swing.
And a swing.
The pool next to us. Dad, you didn't.
Sandpaper. Man, she's ugly. Alright, this is attempt number 1 with the JV Weld putty. Kind of spread it out and then thinned it into the metal where we kind of scraped it up with the different pieces of sandpaper. Try to get so the edge is like thin and turns into the metal. We'll see how that goes. Yeah, let it harden. We also have fiberglass shit that we can put over it.
Hi.
Love you guys.
Love you too. Love you.
You look like you're like, I don't know. Yeah. Alright, this is the laundry room we paid for the night. Bathrooms. What's the shower look like, bud?
These two don't open.
Oh, this is definitely like a camp
No,
shower.
these don't open. This one does.
Alright.
I haven't checked it, so.
Well,
They're not
it's
bad.
actually not
this
that
is
bad.
What this is what the.
There's one we stayed in.
What the pooper looks like.
What the pooper looks like. We stayed in one in
Or
California
bathroom.
that had like fucking hair clobs and like all
yeah.
sorts of stuff everywhere. You could see through the wall.
Oh,
So
yeah.
this is not bad.
Yeah, it's not. I found all this, that, and all these pine cones.
We only had a couple pieces of wood, so Sebastian went and picked
yeah,
all
I
the
found-
bark off from a dead tree.
Oh no, I didn't pick it off the tree. It was on the ground. And these I found over at someone else's spot that they left.
Oh, they laughed at you
Yeah,
and
like
picked some of this?
No, it was literally just sitting at that camp that's vacant.
Alright. This is the KOA in Texarkana is the name of the town. It's like 3 hours from Arlington. Has a nice pull through. It's only like $50 a night, includes the full hookup, so we can, you know, dump our tanks, fill our water because we've been using it. I'm gonna show you guys the ugly gas tank. We put on this like Play-Doh looking shit that's for gas tanks, and then we put on what was supposed to be like a fiberglass resin. Well, the problem is that it started to harden on us as we were using it, and we didn't get it all the way on. So then we took this tank sealer we bought and threw that over the top of the fire. It's ugly, but hopefully it'll work. On our way to go pick up that T8 charger, hopefully around noon, Alice found a free campsite that is on a lake over near Fort Worth. So we're gonna head there next after we pick up that T8. Here, I'll show you the gas tank. Hold on, let me turn my flash on.
No.
Oh, it's so ugly.
It might be ugly, but is it working?
I don't know. It looks like it has icicles coming off it.